It starts in the dead of night, a ghostly orange glow on the horizon. Not the sun, but a factory, humming, never sleeping. A click, a swipe, a package on your doorstep. Dopamine, pure and simple. We are addicted, chasing the high of a good deal, the thrill of the new. But what happens when the high wears off? What's the real price of that 50-cent keychain? We've traded our main streets for endless digital aisles, our neighbors for nameless avatars. And as we scroll, the mountains of cardboard grow, the oceans choke on our discarded desires. This isn't just shopping. This is a game, and we are losing. It's designed to feel like a casino. The moment you open the app, you're hit with a symphony of persuasion. Bright colors, flashing lights, the hypnotic spin of a prize wheel. One more spin. A free gift is just a tap away. Limited time offer. Only 3 left in stock. Your brain, hardwired for scarcity, for reward, doesn't stand a chance. Every second of hesitation is met with another notification, another pop-up, another gentle nudge towards the checkout. It's a masterclass in psychological manipulation, a digital slot machine where you don't just lose money, you lose time, you lose control. They've studied your every click, your every pause, mapping the pathways of your desire. It's not just selling you a product, it's selling you an addiction. They've turned your phone into a Vegas high roller suite, and the house always wins. The secret sauce isn't just the price, it's the speed. How does a product made across the world get to your door for less than a cup of coffee? They've cut out the middleman. Not the importer, not the wholesaler, but everyone. It's a direct pipeline from the factory floor to your front porch. They call it consumer to manufacturer, or C2M. A revolutionary model that sounds great on paper, but it operates in a legal grey area, a loophole big enough to fly a cargo plane through. It's called Minimis. In the US, packages valued under $800 can enter the country duty-free, with minimal customs inspection. So they split your order into a dozen small packages, each one slipping under the radar, a ghost in the global trade machine. Millions of these tiny parcels flood in every day, a silent invasion bypassing tariffs, taxes, and scrutiny. It's not just a business model, it's a disruption of the entire global economic order, all powered by that one innocent click. But the real product isn't that $10 gadget or that $5 t-shirt. The real product is you. Every search, every scroll, every item you linger on for a fraction of a second is data. It's collected, analyzed, and fed into a colossal artificial intelligence. This AI isn't just predicting what you want to buy. It's learning how you think, what you desire, what you fear. It builds a digital twin of you, a perfect consumer avatar. Then it takes this data, this intimate map of your psyche, and sells it back to the manufacturers. It tells them what to make, how many, in what color. It's a perfect feedback loop, a system of economic surveillance on an unprecedented scale. They're not just selling you products, they are mapping the entire economic landscape of a nation, one consumer at a time. Your personal data is the new oil, and they are drilling directly into your life, refining your habits into pure profit. And we gave them the drill for free. Think about the last thing you threw away. Now multiply that by 1 billion. The sheer scale of waste is almost impossible to comprehend. We are living in a disposable culture, and these ultra-fast fashion platforms are the engine. A t-shirt worn once, a plastic gadget that breaks in a week. It's designed to be ephemeral, to be replaced. Where does it all go? Landfills the size of cities, choking the earth. Rivers running with toxic chemical dyes, the hidden colors of our fast fashion fix. Microplastics from synthetic fabrics now flow in our blood. They're in the rain, they're in the air we breathe. We are literally eating and drinking our cheap clothes. The environmental cost isn't on the price tag. It's a debt we are passing on to the planet, a bill that's coming due. And when it does, there's no return policy. The joy of a new purchase lasts a moment. The plastic it came in will last for 1,000 years. We've become ghosts in our own lives, scrolling through a digital phantom of a world we used to inhabit. We chase fleeting moments of manufactured joy, a quick hit of dopamine delivered in a cardboard box, while the real world burns. We trade human connection for algorithmic recommendations, community for curated feeds. The system is designed to isolate us, to make us feel empty, so we keep coming back for another fix, another purchase to fill the void. But the void only gets bigger. We are the architects of our own digital prison, and the key is always just one more click away. The factory hums on, the orange glow never fades. It's waiting for you, for your next moment of weakness, for that familiar, comforting tap. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave.